Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Facebook. You can't make this change at the moment. If you're using Facebook and you want to make any changes, but Facebook doesn't allow you, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. The first way is that you have to log out from all of your devices because sometimes it might be that you're logged into any devices, so you cannot make it from anyone's device. You must have to open up your Facebook, and once you have opened here, you have to make sure that you are logged in from other devices. So first of all, you have to log in, and here you just have to select the log out option. Let's see how can you do that. Just tap on your menu option or the profile option in the bottom right corner. Then select this logout option and then select log out. Once you have logged out, you have to try to log in again, or if you're still having the same issue, so you just have to scroll down your quick settings, and here you'll get this airplane mode. You must have to enable it and then disable it again. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and once you have that, you have to relaunch or reopen your Facebook app, and now you just have to try again. And once you have tried again, so it might be that your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't, so now what you have to do, if you're using Facebook app, so you must have to switch to your Facebook browser, and in browser you have to simply search for Facebook, and here you can easily log in your account and you can use your Facebook on your browser. So once you have switched, you can easily make any changes, or if you don't, if your problem doesn't solve, you just have to make a restart your phone if you're using any iPhone. So after that, your problem will be fixed. So in this way, you can easily fix that your not Facebook. You cannot make this change at the moment. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.